The Nike Air Max Plus Iron Grey and Wild Grape delivers a refined twist on Sean McDowell's classic, balancing muted tones with vibrant accents. Iron Grey mesh uppers pair with glossy black DPU overlays, keeping the signature wavy lines intact. Wild Grape hits energize the swooshes, tongue badge, shank plate, and outline the mudguard and heel counter, while a piped mudguard and heel clip add stability. The dark gray tuned air midsole houses visible air units for plush cushioning, and subtle yellow details on the outsole nod to the TN Air logo at the heel. Designed for durability, comfort, and style, this understated yet eye-catching mix shows that boldness isn't just about loud colors. Arriving autumn 2025 via Nike.com and select retailers, the model merges performance heritage with a modern, seasonal-ready look, perfect for those who value versatility and timeless sneaker appeal.